Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOLIT 15 wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this speaker not connecting to your device, your phone or other device, or not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history, wipe everything off of this speaker so that you can set it up like a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do that. It's very simple to do with this speaker. All we need to do is come in and find the power button and the Bluetooth button. And we will just come in and press and hold both of these buttons together for 3 seconds. Once you hold it for 3 seconds simultaneously, this will reset the speaker to its factory default settings. And the next time you turn it on, it will go automatically into pairing mode and you can go ahead and pair it and set it up as a brand new speaker.